What is 5C4? 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial. This is equal to 5. If you multiply this, you will get positive x cube whole to the power of 4 divided by 6 to the power of 4. So this is 7C4 into 3 cube into x to the power of 3 4s are 12 divided by 6 to the power of 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. This is first row. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Discrete Mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding the revision of binomial theorem as well as the problems based on operations on matrices like addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices. Okay, very important concept for the point of examination. You may expect at least one full marks question for 8 or 7 marks from this concept. Now let us move on to the first problem. In the previous class, we have discussed regarding the problems on a binomial theorem using binomial coefficient. Let me take one more problem on this binomial theorem. So expand x square plus 3 by x square whole to the power of 5 using binomial coefficients. So this is nothing but this is of the form x plus a to the power of n. What is the formula for x plus a to the power of n? So x raised to n plus nc1 x to the power of n minus 1 into a plus after nc1 it is nc2 x to the power of n minus 2 into a square plus etc. Now here if you observe carefully, n is equal to 5 and x is equal to x square and a is equal to 3 by x square, right? So comparing with x plus a to the power of n is equal to 5, x is equal to x square and a is equal to 3 by x square. Substitute here. So therefore this x square plus 3 divided by x square all to the power of 5 can be written as x to the power of 5. What is x? X is nothing but x square whole raised to 5 plus 5c1 x square whole to the power of 5 minus 1 into a. What is a? 3 by x square plus after 5c1 the next term is 5c2 x square whole to the power of 5 minus 2 into a square, that is 3 by x square whole square. The next term is after 5c2 it is 5c3 then x square whole to the power of 5 minus 3 into a cube, that is 3 by x square whole cube. Next after 5c3 it is 5c4 x square whole to the power of 5 minus 4 into a to the power of 4, that is 3 by x square whole raised to 4 plus the last term is 5c5 x square whole to the power of 5 minus 5 into a raised to 5 is 3 by x square whole raised to 5. This is the very important step. So if you substitute this much, definitely 50% of the problem is solved. Okay. So x raised to n plus 5c1 x to the power of n minus 1 into a, nc2 5c2 x to the power of n minus 2 into a square etc. The last term is 5c5 x square whole raised to 5 minus 5 and 3 by x square whole raised to 5. Now just find out the value of 5c1, 5c2, 5c. So you know what is the value of 5c1? Let me write. So 5c1 is equal to 5 and 5c2. Find out the value of 5c2. 5c2 can be written as 5 factorial divided by 2 into 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial, that is 5 into 4 divided by 3 gets cancelled, 2's gets cancelled, 5 2's are 10. Similarly find out 5c3. What is 5c3? 5c3 is nothing but 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. This is 5 into 4 divided by again 2 into 1. 2 2's gets cancelled, that's also equal to 10. 5c3. Find out the value of 5c4. What is 5c4? 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial. This is equal to 5. And 5c5 is always equal to 1. That's it. So this is how we are going to find 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4 and 5C5. Okay. Now substitute here. So therefore this equation can be written as this is equal to x square whole raised to 5 is x to the power of 10 plus 5C1. What is 5C1 is 5 into x to the power of 2 x square whole raised to 5 minus 1 is 4 into 3 by x square. Next plus next term after 5C1 it is 5C2. What is the value of 5C2? 10 into x square whole to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 by x square whole to the power of 2. This is 2 plus next term after 5C2 it is 5C3. 5C3 is 10 into same x square whole to the power of 5 minus 3 is 2 into 3 by x square whole to the power of 3. So whole to the power of 3 plus 5C4 and 5C4. 5C4 is how much? 5 plus 5 into x square whole to the power of 1 into 3 by x square whole to the power of 4 plus 5C5 is 1 into x square whole to the power of 5 minus 5 is 0 into 3 by x square whole raised to 5. Simplify this. So this is equal to x power 10 plus 5 into x square whole to the power of 8 into 3 by x square plus 10 into x to the power of 6 into 3 square. 3 square is 9 divided by x to the power of 4 plus 10 into x square whole square is x raised to 4 into 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 divided by x to the power of 6 plus 5 into x square into 27 into 3. 27 into 3 is 81 divided by x to the power of 8 plus 1 into x square whole raised to 0 is 1 into 81 into 3. So 81 into 3 is 243. 243. Right. 243 divided by x to the power of 6. Simplify this. So 5x square into 81 by x to the power of 8 plus the next term. So the next term, last term, that is 5C5. 5C5 is 1 into x square whole to the power of 5 minus 5 is 0 into 3 by 3 to the power of 5 divided by x square whole raised to 5. Right. So this can be written as x power 10 plus 5 3s are 15 times x power 8 divided by x square plus 10 9s are 90 x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 4 plus 10 into 27 is 270 times x power 4 divided by x power 6 plus 81 into 5. 81 into 5. That is 405. 405 x square divided by x to the power of 8 plus, so x square whole raised to 0 is x0, x power 0 is 1, 1 into 3 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 5 is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81 into 3 is 243 divided by x to the power of 10. Okay. Now simplify this. Therefore, the final step is, so I will write here, therefore x square plus 3 by x square whole to the power of 5 is equal to x power 10 plus 15, 8 minus 2 is 6, 15 x power 6 plus 90 times 6 minus 4 is 2 x square, yes, plus 270, 4 minus 6 is, that is 2, that is in the denominator, 270 by x square plus 405, 8 minus 2 is 6 x power 6 plus 243 divided by x to the power of 10. So that's all. So x power 10, 15 x power 6, 90 x square, 270 by x square, 405 by x power 6 plus 243 by x power 10 is the required answer. So there are 6 terms. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is how we are going to expand using binomial theorem. Very important for the point of examination, and it's an 8 marks question. Now move on to the next problem. Next type of problems are finding the middle term or coefficient or constant term. So find the middle term in the expansion of 3 minus x cube whole to the power of 7. So comparing with x plus a to the power of n is equal to 7, then x is equal to 3 and a is equal to minus x cube by 6. We know the general term tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x to the power of n minus r, right? This is the formula. To find the middle term, so there are how many terms? So since there are 7 plus 1, 8 terms are there. In 8 terms, find out the middle term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will get 2 middle terms. There are 2 middle terms. So 4 and 5, that is nothing but n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1th term. That is nothing but, what is n? N is 7 by 2 plus 1. 7 by 2 plus 1 is 3.5 plus 1, means 4.5. So that means here there are 2 middle terms, 4th and 5th term. So there are 2 middle terms. There are 2 middle terms. So that is, the middle terms are T4 and T5. Find out 4th and 5th term, that's all. So first put r is equal to 3. If you put r is equal to 3, what you will get? 3 plus 1, that is T4 is equal to n. What is n? 7. C, r is 3, 7c3. X, what is x? ncr x to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r. X to the power ncr x to the power of n minus r. N, x, what is x? X is nothing but 3 to the power of n minus r, that is 7 minus 3 into a, what is a? Minus x cube whole to the power of 6 whole raised to r is 3. So this is nothing but 7c3 into 3 to the power of 7 minus 3 is 4 into minus x cube whole cube divided by 6 cube. So this is equal to, if you multiply minus 3 times, you will get minus. So minus 7c3, 3 to the power of 4 into x cube whole raised to 3. That is nothing but x cube into x, that is x to the power of 9 divided by 6 cube. So this is the simplified answer. So the 4th term is minus 7c3, 3 to the power of 4 into x to the power of 9 divided by 6 cube. Okay. Now similarly find out the next 5th term. So now put r is equal to 4. Then what happens? T4 plus 1, that is T5 is equal to. So what is the formula here? 7c4, 3 to the power of 7 minus 4 into minus x cube divided by 6 all to the power of 4. That's all. Now simplify this. So this is T5 is equal to 7c4, 3 to the power of 7 minus 4 is 3. If you multiply this, you will get positive x cube whole to the power of 4 divided by 6 to the power of 4. So this is 7c4 into 3 cube into x to the power of 3 4s are 12 divided by 6 to the power of 4. This is the simplified answer. If you want, you can simplify. That's it. This is how we are going to find the middle term for the given expansion using binomial theorem. Now move on to the next type problem. Find the middle term in the expansion of the same type problem. So n is equal to 10 and x is equal to x by 3, a is equal to 9y. So to find the middle term, so middle term in this is n by 2 plus 1, the term, that is nothing but 10 by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 is 5 plus 1. So the sixth term is the middle term here, right? So since there are 10 plus 1, 11 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So therefore the middle term will be the sixth term. Now what is the nth term? The general formula is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r a raised to r. So to find the which term? Sixth term. For T6, put r is equal to 5. So T5 plus 1, that is T6 is equal to n. What is n? 10 C 5 x. X is nothing but x by 3 whole to the power of 10 minus what is r? 5 into a. A is 9y whole to the power of r. What is r? R is equal to 5. So this is 10 C 5 x by 3 whole to the power of 5 and 9y whole raised to 5. So this can also be written as, therefore T6 is equal to 10C5 into x to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 5 into 9 to the power of 5 into y to the power of 5. Simplify this. So if we simplify this, this is equal to 10C5 into constant 9 to the power of 5, x power 5, y power 5 divided by 3 to the power of 5. This is the simplified answer. If you want, you can simplify this. That's it. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve this problem. That's all. If you want, you can simplify further. Find out the value of 10C5, 9 power 5, x power 5, y raised to 5 as it is divided by 3 to the power of 5. You will get the answer. Now, move on to the next problem. So, next set of problem is find the coefficient of x power 6 and y power 6 in x plus 2y to the power of 9. Now, next set of problem, finding the coefficient of a given term like x cube, x square, x to the power of 10 or y square, y cube, or here x power 6 and y cube or constant term or independent of x. For all these type of problem, the procedure is same. Now, let us compare. Comparing with, let me solve. Comparing with x plus a to the power of n. What is n? N is equal to 9, x is equal to x and a is equal to 2y. Right. Now, just what is the general formula? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r. So, TR plus 1 is equal to n is 9CR x. What is x? X is nothing but x to the power of 9 minus r into a. What is a? 2y to the power of r. So, this is TR plus 1 is equal to 9CR x to the power of 9 minus r and 2 to the power of r into y to the power of r. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now, what is to find? To find the coefficient of, so for coefficient of x power 6 and y cube. Now, equate this. X to the power of 9 minus r is equal to x power 6 and y to the power of r is equal to y to the power of 3. So, from this you will directly get r is equal to 3. From this 9 minus r is equal to 6 or 9 minus 6 is equal to r, that's equal to 3. So, r is equal to 3. Put r is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So, what is equation number 1? TR plus 1 is 9CR x to the power of 9 minus r 2 to the power of r into y to the power of r. Now, put, what is r? Put r is equal to 3 here. So, then what you will get? 3 plus 1 is equal to 9C3 x to the power of 9 minus 3 2 to the power of 3 y to the power of 3. So, T4 is equal to 9C3 x to the power of 9 minus 3 is 6 and 2 cube into y power 3. So, that is 9C3 into 2 cube, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 into x power 6 and y cube. So, this is the coefficient. So, therefore, coefficient of x power 6 and y cube is 9C3 into 8. Find out the value of 9C3, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. So, the required answer is 9C3 into 8 is the coefficient. That's it. Okay. So, these type of problems are very important. You will expect one definite question from this. Now move on to the next concept. The next concept is the operations on matrices. So in operations on matrices, you are going to study regarding addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices. Let me take few examples on addition, subtraction and matrix multiplication. Now, if A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, B is equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 5 and matrix C is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4, find each of the following. First A plus B, A minus B, 3A minus C. Now, let me take the first one. First one, A plus B. This is called addition of matrices. What is matrix A? 2, 4, 3, 2 plus B. What is B? 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. So, this is equal to corresponding elements 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3, again 3 minus 2, again 2 plus 5. So, what is this equal to? 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, again 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 plus 5 is 7. So, this is the first answer. The order is 2 cross 2. So, 2 into 2. So, matrices of a same order can be added here, right? Now, next, second problem, A minus B. Second one, A minus B. What is matrix A? A is equal to 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2 minus matrix B. What is B? 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. Now subtract this. So as usual, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 minus into minus plus 2, 2 minus 5. So this is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is also 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. This is the second answer. And the third one. What is the third one? Third one is 3A minus C. 3A minus C. 3 into A. A is 2, 4, 3, 2 minus C. What is C? C. C is equal to minus 2, 5 and 3, 4. Okay. Okay. This is 2A minus C. Multiply this. This is called scalar multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, minus this is as it is. So, corresponding element must be subtracted. Minus into minus plus 2. 12 minus 5. Again 9 minus 3. 6 minus 4. This is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. That's it. Okay. This is the required answer. Right. So, this type of problems are also very important for the point of examination. Now, move on to a similar type in 3 rows and 3 columns. So, if A is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, B is equal to 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3 and C is equal to 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2 and 3. Compute A plus B and B minus C and also verify that A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Now, first find out A plus B. Matrix A plus B. So, what is A? 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1 plus B. What is B? 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Add this corresponding elements. So, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, first row. Second row, 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. Again, 1 plus 2 is 3, again minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. This is the first answer, A plus B. Now, second part, B minus C. Similarly, B minus C. What is B? B, 3, minus 1, 2, then 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3, minus C, 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2 and plus 3. Subtract this. So, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. This is first row. Second row, 4 minus 0 is 4, again 2 minus 3 is minus 1, again 5 minus 2 is plus 3. Second row. Third row, 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus into minus is plus, 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0. So, these are the values of A plus B and B minus C. Now, what is to prove this one? Take LHS. LHS, left hand side, LHS, A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. That is, what is matrix A and what is B minus C? So, A, 1, 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, and 1 minus 1, 1, plus B minus C. B minus C is minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 1, and 3, then 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. Simplify this. So, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is also 0, minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Okay. On the other hand, right hand side, take RHS. RHS. What is RHS? RHS is A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Now, what is A plus B? This is A plus B. 4, 1, minus 1. 4, 1, minus 1. Then 9 to 7. And 3 minus 1, 4. Okay. Then minus C matrix. What is matrix C? C is 4, 1, 2. Then 0, 3, 2. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 3. So, if you subtract, you will get the same answer. If you get the same answer, then they are equal. So, this is equal to 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. See, 0, 0, minus 3, first row is correct. Second, 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 7 minus 2 is 5. Check the second row. 9 minus 1, 5, the second row is also correct. And the third row, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1, 4 minus 3 is plus 1. So, check 2, 1, 1. So, this is equation number 2. What do you say from 1 and 2? Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That's all. That means LHS, RHS means, therefore, A plus B minus C is also equal to A plus B minus C. This is very important for the point of examination. If you solve this much, you will get 8 marks. Okay. Now, move on to the last problem in this. Suppose if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, prove that A square minus 5A minus 2I is equal to 0, where I is a identity matrix of same order. So, what is to prove here means to prove that A square minus 5A minus 2I is equal to 0. I is an identity matrix. Now, first find out A square. A square is A into A. This is matrix multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply this. Matrix multiply. First row, first column, second column. So, 1 1s are 1. Plus 2 3s are 6. Again 1 2s are 2 plus 2 4s, right? First row, first column, second column. See, 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6. Same row, second column. 1 2s are 2 plus 2 4s, right? Again second row, first column, second column. 3 1s are 3 plus 4 3s are 12. Again same row, second column. 3 2s are 6 plus 4 4s are 16. So, that's equal to 7, 10, this is 15 and 22. A square. Now, just what is to find now? Take LHS. A square minus 5A, A square minus 5A minus 2 times I. So, this is equal to A square. 7, 10, 7, 10, 15, 22 minus 5 times A. Given matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2 times identity matrix means 1, 0, 0, 1. So, if you simplify, if you get this as 0, then the given equation is correct. So, that's equal to 7, 10, 15, 22 minus 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 minus 2 1s are 2, 0, 0, 2. Now, this is equal to, now what you will get? Subtract this. 7 minus 5 is 2, 10 minus 10 is 0, 15 minus 15 is 0. 22 minus 20 is 2. Minus 2002. What is this equal to? So subtract this. What you will get? 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 0. 2 minus 2 is also 0. That's equal to 0. So what do you say? Therefore, a square minus 5a minus 2i is equal to 0, a null matrix. That's it. Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified. Now, this is how we are going to solve this problem. This is also very important, right? So, usually you may expect the problems based on addition, subtraction and multiplication like this in your final examination. Hope you followed. So, that's all regarding this session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.